Lightning was a paid actor?
Is your name Lightning? Cause I wanna make you my queen.
This guy scared himself. This guy controls the storm. This is so cool. Thor the cat.
Whoa!
The timing on this one is unbelievable.
Wait a second. My calculations are right. It wasn't raining before and now it's raining now. And there wasn't thunder before and now there's thunder now. So if my calculations and hypothesis is correct, thunder is gonna go off 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shaboom shapow.